Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing and product review of something that I got in the mail today. That's something that I ordered about a week or a week and a half ago. It actually came from London, England, and it's made by IDisplayit. And if you like this content, you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page and my PayPal donation page are linked below and in the corner of my homepage on my YouTube channel. So let's get right into this. Now, this is something that I picked up that I actually seen online and on YouTube channels and stuff like that I seen on other people had these and stuff like that. So I found out exactly where to get them and where to buy them, and I picked 3 of them up just to test it out and see how they look. And I just made a previous video of one of them I just did for my Lego plane of Luke Skywalker. Now this one here that I'm going to be building here is like this. It's a small one. And this is going to be for my Anakin speeder right here that I'm going to display like it's flying. So that's what this is for here, to make it like it's flying in the air like. And these are very, very cool. My other plane that I built looks so cool with these on. Okay. So this is the base itself. Always remember, guys, that this always has a protector film on it on both sides. So always make sure that you go and take the protector film off in each corner like that. I recommend you have nails, that's where you can get the plastic off. See, pour it off like that, and it's very, very beautiful. Comes out so clear. I mean, this is and it's very good. It's very strong. It's a very hard plastic. You don't even have to worry about cracking this because it's thick, and it holds your plane perfectly, guys. You don't even have to even worry about it falling, anything like that. Especially if you're like me, that you like displaying them after you build them and stuff like that. This is the product that you would definitely need to go and make. And one good thing about these guys here is that they're very, very inexpensive. They're not expensive at all. You know, like these ones here, these small ones cost $8 each. The bigger one that I bought for my big plane that you see up there in the corner there where my thumb is, that is the big one. I bought the bigger one. Those cost $12. They're not expensive at all, guys. So here's another one. This is the one that you're going to be needing, because they give you 2 different kind. But I found out that this kind doesn't work on the planes that well because they're too small. But these ones do, because they give you the bigger holes, more holes in the middle. So what you want to do is make sure you take off the special film that they got here. Like that. And this one's in white film, and the other ones it was in blue. So that one's pretty cool. Like I said, you gotta have nails to do this, guys. Fortunately, my wife doesn't like me to have nails, so I'm a little struggling over here. And you don't want to go and use any sharp objects to peel these off. I don't recommend that, because you don't want to go and ruin and scratch the plastic up. And this is the base. Perfect. Twist it around. because I'm the type of person that likes my planes to be like they're flying, at least. And especially these are very inexpensive stands. I like them. They're sturdy. So you're going to take this right here and put it into there, regular common sense, until you hear it lock. When you lock it, you're done. And then you're going to take this right here, lock it into place over here. There you can do it this way here. You can do it the long way, but I'm going to do it this way here because it's actually better for the plane, especially for this type of plane. And then you're going to put these little pegs that they send you, and you can put them in the middle, on the bottom part of the middle. Because for the plane that I'm putting it on, that's basically what you want it to go and set it as. I want to put them right in the middle, like that. There you go, guys. Put them right there in the hole. And like I said, this is going to be the plane that I put it on. So the setting to this is right back here. So you got to take this and hook it to there like that. Go. So this doesn't work on here. Or do I gotta go and put two sets on here? Okay, I think I know what I gotta do with this one here. Figuring that this is back heavy. So I will go and take these out of here. And put them back here. Instead of putting them in the front, I'll put them all in the back. Like so. And then take the other two that I already have on here. Take them off. Put them over here. And let's see if this will work. All right there. Put you like right in the middle maybe. And it doesn't seem like it's not doing it. Not holding it. Okay. Why are you not holding it? That's strange. Or maybe not. Let me try the smaller one. Because it feels like it's too front heavy, and this plane is not front heavy. It's loosely back heavy with the butt. So let me try this one. this way. So I would need one here, guys. This is weird. This is not going in. It's not supposed to go that way. It's supposed to go this way. Downward. And it's not going in there, guys. So I got this on right. Let me try it this way. There we go, guys. I had it the wrong way. Okay. There we go. There we go. The other one dropped on the floor. There it is. And this gets hooked right here. There you go. So now let's see if this will work. So this is gonna go this way here, right onto there, and there we go. Perfect, guys. There we go. Like it says, flying in the air. Just nicely. So let me put R2D2 back in there. See, it fell out. Just like that. Put Anakin with his lightsaber. Just like that. And there we go, guys. Just like that. Nice. Yeah. There we go. Alrighty, so now I have this one here that I don't need, so I'm going to save this for a future plane. Now I got another small one with the other pack that I had, so that would be good. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos that I'm coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page and my PayPal donation page are linked below and in the corner of my homepage on my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it if you guys check that out. And if you like these stands, let me know. Give me a comment below. I will go and give you the link to where to buy these stands at under these videos here. That's where if you want to pick them up, you can pick them up. Like I said, the smaller ones are $8, the bigger ones are $12, and then they got even bigger ones for the bigger planes, like the Destroyer and all that. They got ones that will hold them up nice and everything. So just check those out. So thank you very much, guys. Until the next video.